Yo, boss man. How I go on yourself? What the man just spread off in my city, so? What happened? What hear about? I don't understand. I don't understand at all. You not have on no mask. You not wear no mask. Only brother alone wear so in a mask. So what really go on? A matter of fact, you're not supposed to do that, so. I don't understand. You're not supposed to be so right now this time of the year. I don't understand, especially you. I don't understand. When you're not supposed to play a ball. You're supposed to set the cock up. I don't understand you. What about you?
Hey, I'm from Germany, man. We start playing soccer, I get some time. I just come to spend some time with my bedroom over here in Jamaica, you know.
Okay. And what about your bedroom where, sir?
Hey, mate, I'm from England, Bristol. I'm from Bristol. I had a little off season, got a little break. Yeah, and I come to check my brother out here in Jamaica, so we decided to watch a game.
Rugby game and I watch? What kind of game and I watch? Rugby. Most rugby game and I watch. So German people don't watch rugby too?
Oh yeah man, we do. Yeah man, we watch rugby too man. Yes man.
When me say now, this man now playing the ball all here. All here this man not playing the ball. Well, from when they start playing ball? From March? Round in time there?
Pat Batam.
Yeah, and the man start playing the ball again because the feet boots there. Feet boots not touching up. See your feet boots clean? Look on feet boots are shine and pretty. Feet boots not touch. All season you have to call it brand new boots. I bet you don't care from Germany if you are England. What go on? Tell me what go on. Because your boots are shine and pretty so. And you have a mask. Them man not wear no mask. Them man not wear no mask. So me not understand.
Me tell him to put on a mask, bossy.
You tell him put on a mask?
Yeah, I got mine standby over here.
Oh, you got yours. But you're not for you're indoor. Oh, me understand. You're indoor, so you're not putting on a mask. But that means that you sick then because you have a mask. That means there's something wrong. Talk to me, man. Something wrong. And you make the man them sit down on my flag. You can make the man sit down on my flag. Pan I want the West, sit down on my flag. Me answer. Me no want them big enough to go on our place. You can't come sit down on my flag, bitch. Understand? You can't sit down on my flag.
Yeah man, but me to tell him, you know, me to tell him, say, no, sit down on the flag, you know. You don't have to dry up, you know. What you must say? You must say it's still can nice and cozy.
So that's why I'm sitting on it. No, tell him to stand on a pillar and on a sheet and a bedspread. Okay? Tell him to do that. Tell him to do them thing there. You can't do them thing there. A matter of fact, if one man have a mask, I go want everyone to put on their mask. You understand? Because three on there when you put on the mask bedroom. You see me I say? I mean I understand. Me have got to talk to Jamaica, the J.F.F. Me have to talk to the J.F.F. because me know what going for you. Because you just so cozy in a mask. You on quarantine. Quarantine you on 14 days. What? You don't understand.
But boss, for the last 14 years, like 24 years, y'all watch me play them. So a time for more a break.
So you're tired then? I must tired you tired. Because we can't see the result. I must tired you tired because watch out. You know me settee, kick back and relax you and your friend them. And sit down on my flag. The audacity to sit down on my flag. Come on, you can't do that. That's not right, bro. Yeah, I'll never sit on your flag like that. Yeah, and I'll never sit on your flag like that. Yeah. Respect you to my flag boss. So you can't invite a friend and make them go on and thing in the house. You see what I say? Yeah man. COVID time, you know, everything under quarantine look like. Because you under quarantine for how many months now. Them man come join you. But them man start play already. For them season over and start again. Them man season over and start again. And you never budget. So I don't know what I'm going. I talk to J.F.F. make them come talk some sort you out man because I can't afford. I go on me speak. A matter of fact, go down there to go sit down. Go down to go sit down. Because there are some else down there. Go down there to go sit down bedroom. Alright? I beg you please, go down to go sit down. Because this mask thing where you know, I don't understand. You might tell me something wrong with you. And I call the department, something wrong with the bitch, because he was in a mask, so, and I indoor you there. You see me? You just consider me. When you invite people in my place, man, you must make me know what I want, bedroom. See? When you invite people in place, you must make me know what I want. You get me? You can't just invite people in place and you make me know what I want. You see me? Yeah? Next time I do it. Man come all the way from Germany. Me not understand. Man I come from England and America. I come in place and you tell me, bread and breakfast. How I go on and say? Motel 6? Me don't understand what I go on. Talk to me, man. Because you me a hold for all this thing because you are doing all them things you know. Talk to me, bossy.
Yeah, them come from England, man. One come from England. Men go to school together. Yeah, man. The one from Germany. We live in Germany now, he gets scholarship. Yeah, man. He gets scholarship. He must play for Leverkusen now. Brian Leverkusen. And the man over there, so you know him stay already. He win the championship already, you know. Yeah, man. The man win the championship in England already.
And the Kings, okay. The youth will win the Kings, or the captain for Jamaica team one time. Yeah, man, me know what my deal. Him get older now, see me if I call him back. But we want some seniority in the team still, you know. Yeah, so me know whether my deal is more call him back still. And if J.F.F will give him a little one run, because I play for him club team, see man. Yeah, man. Leicester. Yeah, the youth will play for Leicester. Yeah, man. So the man if you know say you walking, hear me, son. When you invite people in my place, you have to make me know what I want, and you just relax in the place. So come out and play football. And say if your boots are shining pretty, you know touch around here. Come out and play some ball. I don't depend that. So I say, I don't depend this way. You get me? Can't see nothing go on. Premier League like every school league like everything like that. And you have the audacity to come in and my city, you can sit down and come relax yourself. Huh? But you watch German League. And you watch Premier League. Which game I come? Which Premier League I come on now? Which Premier League game I come on? Oh, Liverpool and Man City. Okay, cool. Yeah, you're going to watch again, but you're going to need to go down to the side of the city. A year space down there. You need to go down, so go down to the city. Understand? Shuffle up yourself and tell the man to come off on the flag. The man will stand on the flag and the man will stand for it. And if you're wearing mask, understand? We have emergency all the while. Wear your mask, boss. See me? That never about. Talk to you a little more. Okay, yo, the ball game started. Alright, the man them, what go on here? The man them a drink, man. I want to have ya. Yo, what you have ya, so brother? Or what you drink? Yo, what is Skull vodka? Boss, see? Why, the man from Germany. The man from Germany drink Skull vodka. Ooh. Boy, when I football, I have to be careful of the alcohol, you know, when I drink, you know. Yeah, man. What the man wears, what the Englishman I drink? The Englishman I drink NEC. Whoa, no, so. I saw I roll my youth. Yeah, man, I saw I roll. Yo, take it easy, man. I saw I ball in the bedroom. I ball, I can't drink no strong alcohol, you know. Like 2 weeks, want to tell me so I want to get. I want to drink all and something. Well, I really appreciate what the man put on them mask still. Yeah. Thanks to man put on them mask. You can't don't know anything because you know social distance. If you sit in a city, every man have to have a mask. Yeah. Yes man, I like that. I like what the man put on them mask. I respect you. Yes man, I like what I want. Any drink bass? Yeah, NEC. You might have what? You might have Skull vodka. Yo, so the man marry all high. On the easy. So the man marry all bass? Man go on away. Yeah, so now go on Skull vodka. I'm having some NEC. Yeah, alright. A shotty, because you have a top. Yeah, so now say I do it. Okay. Yo, what Jamaican brother I have? Because him not playing a ball, it's someone know when you up to. So you what happen? What you drink, boss? Let me see what you drink. I can really come on this and see what you really drink. Because you're supposed to drink no farm alcohol, you know. Yeah, I drink sparkling fruit juice. Makes sense.
Yeah, man, I drink that because you know when them all call you. So I try to keep myself keep myself in tune. When I drink no alcohol, I start training again, me get fit quick because I don't take no alcohol, I have to detox before I go back on the field.
Yeah, me like where you're going with. Fear thing this. Yeah, man. Fruit juice I drink. Yeah, man, I drink some fruit juice. I like that. Yeah, man, fruit juice. Yeah, man, I respect you. So, I like what the man in shift up still. Yeah, I left my space. I'm glad. Thank you for going with us, sir. Thank you for going on the side. Yeah, respect. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Enough respect. Man, as you know. Yeah, man, you don't know.
My space there. Yeah, man. My space, sir. I like that. Yeah, man. What time the game start? What time the game start, bedroom? You invite the man. What time the game start?
About 4:30.
Oh, 4:30 game start?
Yes, boss. 4:30 that start.
Okay. Alright then. So you are going now. You need some popcorn. But wait there. We not drink long time, man. Because look here. What is? A Crown Royal, the man has a turn over a bottle. Not that easy. A bottle of Crown Royal don't really bossy. That dead. Crown Royal dead already. That's what I'm going. Man, then serious. And the ball game I started on to drink one. My team say drink somebody Crown Royal, you know. Tell truth. My name say drink somebody Crown Royal. Tell me the truth. Don't lie to me now. You come tell me say I just fruit juice I drink. Tell me say drink. Because see Crown Royal back there. See it, and they're close. I mean, no, so you know, go without me, take a shot.
Well, me take a one shot.
Yeah? Okay, so, I open and drink nothing more, you know. You understand? Because I know who you are try trick with this. Who you are try trick with this, boss? Or who you are try trick with this? No matter with that. Because I know say you have to drink something. No matter how I go on, you have to drink something. And see the bottle turn over ground there. I know say something go on. You understand? Yeah, you can understand them man because they on 2 weeks break or whatever. Yeah? You know. But you're not supposed to touch nothing until then you decide when they will call you back. You're not supposed to touch nothing. But you know when, the point is you don't know when they will call you back.
Yes, boss, me understand. Me know when they will call me back. Yeah.
Yeah, you get that?
Yes, boss, me get that.
Yeah, because the money have to go back to work. And the money are party for 2 weeks. But you know, I got all a loophole still because if you're not party and I have to go back to training, you know it's going to work out.
Hey, we get our detox. We can detox our body.
Okay, so you're going to need the energy still. And when you detox, you lose energy, you know. Yes or no, my German boss?
Of course we lose energy. Yes, we lose energy, but you know, we got a lot of things to, you know, put it back, you know. So let's see what happens.
Alright, we're in Jamaica, we got a party, man. We have to have some good time when we're in Jamaica. Okay?
Yeah, mate, we gotta have some party. Doesn't matter where we are, we got a party.
So now is a party then?
Hey, not really.
What about you, boss? Now is a party?
Yeah, we have a little fun sometime, you know, yeah.
Yeah, I really appreciate how the man put on them masks and everything good.
Then, boss, you don't have no food inside it.
Boss, man, you're there for a day, you're supposed to cook. The man and get some feed, boss. You're supposed to cook and the man and get some feed, you know. Yeah, man, find that pot bottom kitchen, you have to cook and make the man and get some feed. Eat. So, that have to go on sometime, somehow. The ball game soon starts still, so make we work on that. And we get something. Where you eat, boss? The man from Germany, where you want to eat?
Sandwich.
What kind of sandwich you want?
Reuben sandwich, okay.
Reuben, how name sir? Oh, Reuben sandwich. Smoked beef, oh, Reuben, okay. What you want, Englishman? Tell me what you want, man.
Sweets.
What sweets?
Sweets and potatoes. Sweets and potatoes.
Sweets. What's these sweets, man?
Carrots.
Oh, carrots. Mashed carrots. And what else? What you want there to go with?
Roasted lamb. Yeah, roasted lamb, man. Swedes and lamb, roasted lamb.
Okay, so I hope somewhere to go buy a road then. This time I'm going to go on one sandwich. Yeah, we'll try so we can find one sub. You know, substitute, no, sub. Oh, sub.
I can't get a sub, mate. Oh, okay, sub.
Alright, let's see what I want. You want a sandwich, Reuben sandwich in the same one, so make it see what I want. I know if they have that. Alright, me have bread on them, man. Me have a piece of bread on them. Me have whole wheat. Whole wheat sliced beef. Oh, roasted sliced beef, smoke. Oh, that's something there. It look like pastrami, something like that. That's your name? Oh, Reuben sandwich. That later Germany.
Yeah, man, we have a lot of that snack in Germany.
Oh, I see. Okay, alright. So I'm going to try to make one Reuben sandwich. Roast beef. Oh, roast beef. Say a beef sandwich that, man. Wait, pastrami. Pastrami American something, man. You know about pastrami, boss?
Yeah, a lot of that in New York. We do a lot of that in New York, you know, because we got a lot of Italians over there that do pastramis and all that.
But you want Reuben, that sounds like German, a Reuben sandwich in one, so let's start with that. I'll call Reuben, let's see what I want. Can you do what I want? What you have? What you want to eat, boss, man?
Well, boss, you know, say, me good.
Anybody you good?
Alright, me don't want nothing much.
And patty?
Patty and cocoa bread.
Okay, patty and cocoa bread you want. Alright, go deal with that then, for patty and cocoa bread. You can deal with that. I plan to cook some rice and peas still now. But I know it'll take some time. Yeah man, I plan to cook some rice and peas and all of that. Yeah man, we have some curry goat in the fridge. Yeah man. You know, so when the curry goat stay overnight, you know what going on. Take set at that time is nice. Yeah man, curry goat. If you make it fast, I say put some rice and white rice with it, yes sir. White rice and make and peel 2 bananas and put on it. You know, them man never eat off the foods in the car. When it touch Jamaican food, them man want the Jamaican food feed and make them strong.
Yeah, you make us strong, man. You make us strong.
Alright. Yeah man. Oh, we a shot at NEC. Yeah man. Let me get a shot, man. Let me get a shot at NEC. Alright, nobody didn't see. Give me this over here, sir. What is this name? Scully? Yeah man. Scully Vatla. Yeah, me hold on that. Yeah man. And you over here, sir, can go and drink it. You don't have nothing more to drink. Because you mind them say you drink all that, you know. My mind just tell me how you done this, you alone. Yeah? And I try trick me about you drink fruit juice. Man tell me say you drink this because you not come here and not drink nothing. You understand? Put on your mask and really appreciate that stuff. Yeah? But you still up on the flag. I seem to me tell you about the flag, you know. Bedroom, you still stamp on the flag. You still stamp on the flag, bedroom. Take up the flag, man. Move the flag, bedroom. See me? Move the flag, man. You come off on the flag, bedroom. Yeah? But tell me about the flag, you know. Already, I know the man stamp on the flag in the bedroom. You know the man stamp on the flag, bedroom. Tell you already, you know. Yeah? Give me a flag star. Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, when I put out and I move up on yourself on the flag, I'm going to stamp on the flag, bedroom. I understand if you lean back. When you can lean back on the flag, yes, I don't have a problem with that. But when you can't stamp on the flag. Yeah, that's not deal. Come on from the flag, boss. Thank you, sir. Respect. Come on from the flag. Yeah, man, when you can lean back on the flag, now make everything good. But when you can't stamp on the flag. See? Yeah, man. So you have him. You're going to burn a party now. And everything starts out. Boss the NEC.
Annie, let's do some Annie, yeah.
Yeah, man, like rain are coming to you know, so yeah, so things it up. And we'll do some skull vodka. Yeah, man, I don't drink all this already, so I mean I get none of that. Yeah, man, what is in that? What is in that? Like crown, what can I crown this? Apple. What? So now go on, boss? Now go on good. Nothing for me? Anyway, think of something must in the back there, man. Talk about something left in the back there, man. I want to say, I know something that drinking, man. And just drop it back like nothing and go and see there? Something in your buckle, man. Alright, give me a look at that later. Start with that little more. Alright, we're going to start the ball game now. So here what happened. I'll call the Belgian Pop Bottom Kitchen. Make him sort out something for you. Alright, I know if he can make sandwich, but we're going to check him out. I think, well, them man that international. Them man they can do almost everything when it comes on to food. Alright, the Belgian Pop Bottom. You know me attack?
Yeah, man, the big Papa Tam kitchen, the boss. You know, all them type of food, all kind of cuisine, you know. One time I tell about some Italian food and some, you know, some German food. Yeah, man.
Pat Batam.
German cake, some German cake. Yeah man, coconut German cake. Yeah man, coconut on top and everything there. The money can cook, man, the money can bake, you know. Cook German food. Yeah man, there's some food you get when you cook once a German plate, you know. Yeah. German cake and German this and no, this is Englishman that in one.
Yeah man, Papa Tam can't put that man. Oh yes man, squids, sweets and potatoes. Yeah man, you can do that. Yeah man, and some lamb, roast lamb and so. We can't do that man. Yeah man, at the curry, we have some curry goat run about there, so we good. We don't have to do much. We have curry goat for your boss. We have some rice, some white rice. So that's the easy thing. So by the time the bargain starts, we up. And we are going to do everything. See? So now worry yourself. That we are doing. And I'm going, nobody get drunk and start making noise on the place, you know. Okay, you understand? Because when you drunk, when Englishman drunk and start cuss and have gone, you depend that, you know, bedroom. You understand? When you get drunk, you know, I don't know one attack, say. So me I said, so you happen, I beg you, please. No uproar in the place, me a neighbor. You understand? You know, panel, make them call police and we say we have people over more than whatever people we don't even know there. You understand? We don't want the police come over and say nothing. You understand? So things set up. Everything up on lockdown. Alright? So no thing but you call Pat Bottom and make Pat Bottom sort of thing. Alright? Yeah man, Pat Bottom kitchen, a real man. You do your thing. Alright? Talk to him a little more. When the game starts, call me on my phone. You know my number man. Call me man. See? Yeah man, I know my number. WhatsApp me man or something. Yeah man, I'm gonna go. Subscribe and then we get the number on the bottom and whatever and see what I go on. Yeah man, call me though. I know what I go on. Want to check out Pat Bottom man? Yeah man, give them money, give all of them money the link with. I go to England, I want to link you and make you know what I go on. Pat Bottom kitchen, alright? We come on, we talk to you.